Hey guys, and welcome back to Bee's Kitchen. If you are new to this YouTube channel, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button. I am back with yet another simple and delicious recipe. I'm going to show you how I make my homemade Kelewele. If you don't know what Kelewele is, it is basically one of Ghanaians' favorite street food. It's plantain seasoned in spices and deep fried. If you love plantains, this recipe will be right up your street. Now let's get started. For this recipe, I will be using the following ingredients. I have some ripe plantain. They are not too soft. When it's fried, it doesn't absorb the oil. I also have some ginger, onion, Scotch Bonnets. Feel free to use less or more. I have grains of Selim, also known as Whentia in Ghana. I have nutmeg, vegetable oil for frying, table salt for seasoning, roasted peanut, which is what we usually have Kelewele with. I have cloves. Feel free to use the ground cloves if you don't have the fresh one, and black pepper. I will list everything in the description below. In my blender, I am now going to blend the onions, Scotch bonnet, grains of Selim, cloves and ginger. I'm going to add a little bit of water and I'll blend this until smooth. I am now going to cut my plantains. Feel free to cut your plantains to your desired shape. There is no right or wrong way and how to cut plantains for Kelewele. Next, I'll place the plantains in a bowl. I'm now going to season my plantains with a little bit of salt. I will add black pepper and also grate the nutmeg. Next, I will add a blended mixture. I'll mix everything together and I'll set this aside for about 5 minutes whilst I heat my oil for frying. I am using my deep fryer to fry the Kelewele. The oil has come to heat and I am now adding the plantains. I will allow the plantains to fry until it is golden brown. And the Kelewele is ready. Guys, this is just taking me back to Ghana. When you're walking the street of Osu, it's dark and you just want something to snack on and you can just smell the Kelewele lady just frying her Kelewele away. This recipe is simple and is absolutely delicious. You have to try it. As always, thank you so much for joining me in my kitchen. Please don't forget to like this video, share this video, comment below if you have any questions, subscribe to this channel, and I will see you next time. Bye.